What's up? What do you think? You think the engine's gonna be good? Come on, let's go see. Oh, I'm gonna put down my lemonade. And a bunch of parts. Come here. What are you scared for? Alright, you gonna pee. I'm gonna take this whole part. What's up? What are you doing? Alright. We gonna take this whole apart. I need to take the belly plate off. Get this head off. Then, see what I can do. Maybe the front cover, crank, oil pan, set this up on an engine stand and rip it apart. You know what I'm saying? Where'd you go? What's up? You don't... Uh-oh. Where are you going? Hey, come here. What'd you think? Is that good? Come here. What'd you think? You big as hell. You ain't a puppy no more. You a grown ass. You a grown ass dog. Get up. Give me. Tell me. Okay, it's good. Hey, that's wood. Stop it. Hey, what you think? Come here. Come here. Is that good? Nah, hell no. We ain't using these. We ain't using these. Taking this shit off anyway. What's over there? What you doing? Huh? I'm gonna add this to the pile of junk. Getting so big. Come here. Right here. All right. Hey, is that the right socket? Tell me. Come here. Is that the right one? Okay. Watch out. Come here. Hey, you think it's gonna turn over? Doing all this work, can't even see if it's fucking gonna turn the fuck over. Oh, so smooth. Get this in there to get these freaking lifters up in the tray. Oh, pushing all that shit out. Pushing all that shit out. Bro, this thing has like a lot of carbon buildup. This dude must have never driven it like hard at all. This thing just putt around town. Oh, is that piston? Is it? Oh, are we decked on the surface? Yes, sir. All right, let's take these lifter trays out. Is that good? Okay. And that's it. My first cam. Well, not this one, but on the LS stuff. And you know where this one's gonna go? It's gonna go right over there. And cam bearing. A little bit there. A little bit there. Oh. Now we're gonna let that ride. Yeah, we're gonna let all that ride. Look at that. What do you think? Huh? Where'd you go? Yeah? You let it ride? Ain't nothing. Cool. So they look pretty clean. Looks like a little, those marks are there from my finger running across. Overall, not too bad. I don't see any copper worn through it. It just looks like some debris kind of went through it. It looks pretty smooth. I mean, this is like a typical worn crank. But can't grab anything. This just looks like a good old truck motor with some miles on it. And that rod cap cracking is crazy. Look at that. That's like that thing is never gonna come apart. So there's that one. I'm more than likely gonna go through the rest of them just to look at them. But overall, pretty good. This is Gen 4, so for it to work in my Gen 3, I'm gonna have to do some cam sensor extension and a Lingenfelter adapter, but overall, not bad. Since this was a DOD motor, I'm probably just gonna replace a fuel pump anyway. But overall, cherry, pretty good. Turns over smooth. I'm gonna run with it. Are you ready to go inside? Huh? You ready to go inside? Yeah, you're tired. Say bye. Hey, calm down. Calm down. No. Calm down. I'm gonna put this right here with me. Nope. No, what the? Back up. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. Oh, ow. Here, look, right here. Calm down. Stop it. Oh my God, here. Oh, now someone's calm.